Ito yung ating fried rice. Titikman natin, guys. Ayan. Yummy. Ayan. Ang ating fried rice. At gigi. At gulay. Hello guys. Yan ang aming fried rice. Dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan. Lahat ng leftover. At syempre, ito ang ating ulam. At yung gulay. O, diba? Heavy lunch yan. Ayan, malapit na maluto ang ating fried rice. Pinagsama-sama ko lang ang leftover na fried chicken, spring onion, at saka yung fried shrimp sa egg. So, ayan na, leftover rice. Fried rice with and this vegetable. Bye! Thank you for watching. Ayan, ang kusina ni Thames Mix Channel. Bye, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.